Hi everyone, welcome to the Analytics of Life, and this is Mert Damlapinar, New York City. I'm happy to introduce you our first ever in action series video in our Analytics of Life channel. And in this series we're going to be talking about how to take action, technical details, and where I'll be executing those tips in real time. So the first ever video we're going to be launching in this subtitle is going to include how to exhibit in a trade show, which I recorded in the Winter Fancy Food Show in San Francisco earlier in January 2019. And I hope you guys like it. And see you guys later. Talk to you soon. Don't forget to follow and leave your comments, any questions below. Good morning everyone. Here we are in San Francisco for the Winter Fancy Food Show 2019. One of my favorite shows, if not the best, probably second to best, which is New York Fancy Food Show in summertime. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take you guys inside, give you a brief look at what's about to happen, because we still have another 1 hour to go for a show to kick off. And all the exhibitors and speakers are preparing, they're making last minute checks, and all the marketing and sales material is about to come out, and visitors are waiting for doors to open for them. So right now I'm going to take you guys inside and give you a quick look, and let's go and see what's happening. Go. So as I promised before, now I'm going to take you guys into the exhibition floor where all the magic happens. Right now it's about 11 a.m. Pacific time, and the show is pretty much loaded and everybody is walking the aisles. And let's go and take a look what's happening on the aisles, both country pavilions and the other regular domestic pavilions. So from that point we can see a number of booths at once where we have an elevated point of view, and I'll keep showing you guys some really good ideas about the product packaging, booth setup, backdrop design, and making it more exciting and interesting for the visitors to stop by and ask questions about the new products, new brands. So we'll continue taking a closer look at what's really happening in the booths. As we walk through the floors, I'm giving you guys a closer look about the new products, new packaging, different representation for new categories, and international exhibitors also attending the Winter Fancy Food Show 2019 in San Francisco. But now it's about time to get into some technicals and tips about how to have a great show when you're trying to expand your footprint and when you're trying to open your brand or product into new markets. So I'm giving you guys quick tips to have a better and successful shows when you go international events and try to gain a footprint in a new territory. Let's go and take a look what you guys need to do when you set up your booth in an international event in a new market for the first time. So in order to have a successful trade show, you got to do your homework, early preparation, even before the show kicks off, and probably several weeks, 1 month or so, before you decide to register for a show and rent some booth space. First thing you need to do, you need to have a membership in the organization body. In this case, for the Fancy Food Show, summer or winter, it will be Special Food Association. Whatever the show, whatever the exhibition or trade show you want to attend, you got to contact the organization body and have a membership to take advantage of the perks, discounts, and all the other features that the show can offer. Another important step you guys need to take is to check the exhibitors beforehand and take a look at the floor plan, how big the show is, how many exhibitors are going to be there, what's the previous statistics from the last years, and how many attendees, how many visitors are expected to visit the show. This way you can adjust your budget and calculate an exposure, how much prospects you can generate, how much leads and prospects you can have after the show. This way, when you do the homework, checking the floor plan and the number of the attendees, previous stats, and the number of exhibitors, floor plan, the size of the show, you guys will be able to calculate your marketing budget, spendings, and expected return from the shows in terms of leads, prospects, new business. When you're at the show, the most important thing you got to execute is driving more traffic to your booth and be in a position to be able to speak as many as prospects you can, so you can build up a lead list, and then you can follow up with those leads and build a funnel and feed those leads into a funnel and try to get prospects, opportunities, and close deals out of those leads. It takes 3 stages: prep, pre-show preparation, showtime execution, and follow-up after the show. Between those 3 steps, the most important 2 of those are number 1 and number 3. Pre-show preparation and the post-show follow-up. If you can do those, and if you can convert as many as leads into opportunities and close deals, then you're gonna get a nice ROI of your show investment out of your marketing budget, and then your startup product will have a nice foothold and a new market if you're trying to penetrate into new territory, or you're gonna expand your existing business in the existing region that you've been competing with other products.